Good morning, dear students. Today we will begin our new lesson. It's the superlative adjectives. Before we studied the comparative adjectives, which is comparing two people, two things. Now we will study the superlative adjectives. If you please, begin with revising our previous lesson, which is the comparative adjectives, then begin our new lesson, the superlative adjectives. For the superlative adjectives, if you want to compare three or more things or people, you use the superlative adjective. So again, the superlative adjective is an adjective that we use to compare between three or more things. Okay? Things or people, of course. So, in the comparative adjective, you are comparing two things or two people. But here in the superlative adjective, you are comparing more than two, three or more things or people. Okay? When using short words or short adjectives, which is one syllable, and as we said before, that the syllable is the part of the word. So, one syllable means one part. The one syllable word or the one syllable adjective means the adjective that we pronounce it only one time. Okay? It has only one part. When we are using a one syllable adjective, we put the before the adjective, then we add est to the end of the adjective. So, fast will be the fastest. Tall will be the tallest. Short will be the shortest. We will put the before the adjective and add est to the end of the adjective. Here we have three cars, and I want to say that the red car is the fastest one. The red car is the fastest. As you can see, we add the before the adjective fast and we add est to the end of the adjective. This means this one is the super. That's why our adjective today called the superlative adjective. Superlative means that it's super, the super one, the best one. So our adjectives today, the superlative adjectives, which means the best adjectives. When you are comparing more than two things and you want to tell that this one is the super one, this one is the best one, so you will use the superlative adjective. I have three cars and I want to say that this car, the red car, is the fastest. The red car is the fastest. Add the before the adjective, then add est to the end of the adjective. Also, if I want to say that the brown car or the brown and black car is the biggest, the brown and black car is the biggest. Okay? Here, the dinosaur is the tallest. The dinosaur is the tallest. If the adjective is only one syllable, which means a short adjective, and ends as consonant, vowel, consonant, and as we said before that the consonant letters are all the letters except the vowels, and the vowels are the 5 letters A, E, I, the vowels. These are our 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. These are the 5 vowels. For the rest of the letters, we call them the consonant. If our adjective ends as consonant, vowel, consonant, so we will duplicate the last letter and add est to the end of the adjective. So big is an adjective that is a consonant, vowel, consonant. So we will duplicate the last letter G, so it will be biggest, hot, hottest, thin, thinnest, fat, fattest. Okay? If an adjective ends with Y, we change it to I and add est. So happy, I'll cross the Y and add I-E-S-T. Happiest. Funny, funniest. Easy, easiest. Ugly, ugliest. Now we will talk about the long adjectives. When we are using long adjectives, which means the adjectives that have two or more syllables, we will add the most, then the adjective. So we will not add anything to the adjective itself, but we will add the most before the adjective. For an adjective like intelligent, intelligent, it has more than one syllable. So I'll add the most before the adjective. He is the most intelligent student in the class. For an adjective like beautiful, beautiful, 3 syllables. So we will add the most before the adjective. She is the most beautiful girl in the world. Also, we will talk about the irregular adjectives. The adjectives that don't follow the previous rules. Good, best, bad, worst. Far, furthest, little, least. Now, if you please, try to answer the following questions. For the first question, write the superlative form of the given adjectives. Creative, tidy, far, important, messy, big, good, noisy, handsome, and bad. For the second question, they are asking us to add the comparative and the superlative adjectives for short, high, cold, simple, clever. And the long adjectives for interesting, beautiful, intelligent, expensive, and dangerous. And now we reached the end of our lesson. After answering the questions, you will find the answers of these questions in the school website. Please check your answers, and if there is a question, just ask me. I'm waiting for your questions. I'm waiting for you in our next lesson. See you again. Bye.